We can integrate this Salesforce application with a banking system also, with the payment gateways also, with SMS gateways also, with a Java application also, with the SAP application also, with the mainframe application also, with the Microsoft Azure also, with any system we can integrate. That possibility is available. So whatever the applications that we have built through Force.com platform, we can integrate this application with any external system also with the help of Force.com platform. So that if you know this Force.com platform, then development in the integration both we can able to perform very easy.
Hi Feroz.
Yes.
Feroz, when you say external system, so can you give us an example? You know, I mean, say for instance, if we are building some application on Force.com, so can it be integrated with any third-party company?
Yes, we can able to integrate with any third-party applications also. That possibility is there. Like for example, assume that I'm having my Salesforce instance. For example, I have my Salesforce account. Let me log in into my Salesforce account. Any one of that organization. So now, for example, I'm having my Salesforce organization. Now, so this is my Salesforce organization. Now today I'm creating an account record. I'm creating an account record inside my account object. Here I'm entering some data related to my new customer. Because for example, I'm indicating that my customer name as some Mohan Kumar. And then account number I'm giving some value. Account site, manufacturing. Type, some prospect. Industry, some manufacturing. So now this customer belongs to the manufacturing organization. Annual revenue, some 19 lakhs. The rating, some heart. Phone number, I'm giving some value. Fax number, I'm giving some value. The website, I'm indicating like as some Salesforce.com. Ownership, I'm indicating some public. And then I'm going to be indicating the billing city as some Hyderabad. The customer is from Hyderabad location. And then states from Telangana. And then postal code 500038. And customer is in active status. I'm making it as active status as yes. Customer priority is some high. Now, so now as soon as once I click on this particular save button, my record has to be get saved. Once the record has been saved successfully, immediately whatever the customer some phone number is available, to this phone number I want to send one SMS. I want to send one SMS to this particular customer's phone number. Now tell me, do we have any ready-made feature in Salesforce to send the SMS? No. Salesforce has given the facility to send the email notifications, but we don't have any facility to send the SMS notifications. We don't have any SMS gateways in Salesforce ready-madely to send the SMS notifications. Then what we can do? We can integrate with any SMS gateways also. Like for example, we have an SMS gateway is available. Okay, we have an SMS gateway that is called as fast to SMS. Okay, fast to SMS. This is one of the SMS gateway through which we can send the SMS notifications to the people's mobile number. We can send the SMS notification with the required content. We can send an SMS notification to the required mobile numbers. It may be to a single mobile number. It may be to the bulk mobile number also. But when coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce has given the email facility to me through workflow rules, through process builder also we can able to send the email notifications. But we don't have any facility to send the SMS. But I want to send the SMS notification to my customer's mobile number. That is one thing. So, but in this case, do we have this SMS facility? No. So for that one, we have to buy the SMS gateway license. So we can contact these SMS gateways like as fast to SMS like that, way to SMS. We have so many SMS gateways are available. We have to buy the license. We can integrate this application with our Salesforce instance. As soon as whenever I'm creating a new customer record, it will be connecting to that SMS gateway. It will send this mobile number to that SMS gateway. It will send the message also based on that message to this mobile number. It will be sending the notification automatically. So we can integrate. Next, for example, so now whenever the customer is going to be, okay, whenever I'm creating a customer record, so whatever the city to which he is associated, so I want to collect, okay, I want to collect the city's weather information over here. I want to collect the weather information of the city over here. Then how can we collect? I want to collect the weather information of this particular city. Then what we can do in this case?
So we take a, I mean like the third party application, and we integrate.
Now, so in this case, whenever I'm creating this record, whatever the city to which the customer is associated, based on that city, I would like to collect the weather information. What is the minimum temperature in that city today? What is the maximum temperature today? How is the wind and how is the weather? I want to collect that information. Then how can we do this one? How can we collect the weather information? Generally, weather informations we can able to collect, okay, by using some weather stations. Now, so for that one, we have some applications are available, like as Open Weather Map. There are some applications, organizations are available, which are going to be collecting the weather information by using the weather stations. So we have an organization like as Open Weather Map. This is one of the third-party application. It's one of the third-party application. Through this application, we can able to collect that weather information also. Through this application, we can collect the weather information also. Now, weather API. So with this particular organization, we can able to collect that weather information also. Based on that respective city, we can collect this weather information. Now, like that similar way here also, I want to integrate my Salesforce application with this Open Weather Map application. So we'd like to consume these kind of web services also. For that one, whatever the Salesforce application that we have built, we can able to integrate these applications with any external systems also with the help of the Salesforce.com platform. So by using this Salesforce.com platform, these are the various benefits are available, okay, for Salesforce. Okay, now